Hi, welcome to this beginning of this course. If you don't have Excel on your system or your PC, I will suggest that you go to the store or you find a way online and buy an Excel or Microsoft Office into your system. But I'll be showing you on how to use Excel for free on your system, but you need to have a working internet to be able to use it. So I will also suggest you go ahead if you're buying or you're getting a software and a Microsoft Office software, go for the latest one that is available now. So let's go ahead. I'll be showing you on how to get this for free. So now here is your browser. For you to make use of Excel for free, you need to simply type auxil.new. By typing auxil.new, it will take you to a new spreadsheet that is online. Therefore, you can make use of Excel for free without paying any dime. Okay, if for example you also did the same thing, okay, you have this dialog box appear on your screen. All you need to do is that you create an account, or if you have an account with Microsoft, which is the Outlook, or you have you don't have account, you can simply create one, or you signed in. By signing in, it will still take you back to this interface where we have our Excel online. There are both advantages and disadvantages of using this Excel online and Excel offline. Excel online, you cannot use what they call the VBA. So that's it. And the second method, which is the most effective and reliable, which you can also access almost all the Microsoft Office tools, including Excel, Word, PowerPoint, is office.new. So you can simply say office.com, then it takes you to all the Office application we have on our PC. So these are all the application. If you, for instance, you go to get a Microsoft Office from the store, so we are having the same thing and more than what we want, like Excel, the Microsoft form, the quiz, list, presentation, document, and Excel. So you can simply click on this Excel. If you notice after clicking on this Excel, it's almost looking like the one we have on offline, just like the one we have offline. So why wait? My internet is currently slow. So if you have a working internet, this will open up completely here, whereby you can use Excel. Now I will also show you on how to install or bring your data into an offline Excel or an online Excel. So the other third method is not we using the Excel. We are going to use a Google Sheet. Now, using a Google Sheet is almost equal to using an Excel sheet, but there are slight difference and functions whereby Excel sheet or Google Sheet do not have. So for you to make use of it, the Google Sheet, we use spreadsheet.new. So it will simply take us to a new spreadsheet on your system, or you can also access your spreadsheet using google.com. Google.com. Then you see this at your top right, you see this toggle button. You can then scroll down and see sheet. Click on the sheet. Then you can access all the spreadsheets you have on your system. So therefore, we'll be moving ahead to see on how to understand data and a jump start to this application or to this course.